Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss some more problems on tracing of polar curves. Let us consider first problem, trace the curve r is equal to a cos 2 theta. First point is we have to check the symmetry. Since on replacing theta by minus theta and cos of minus theta is theta, this is cos minus 2 theta which is equal to cos 2 theta. That is, on replacing theta by minus theta, equation remains unchanged. Therefore, curve is symmetric. Curve is symmetric with respect to initial line theta is equal to 0. That is the polar axis. Also, we note that on replacing theta by pi minus theta, then also equation is unchanged. This is cos 2 pi minus 2 theta. That is the fourth quadrant. Therefore, curve is symmetric. Curve is symmetric with respect to line theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, this particular curve has both two symmetries. Symmetric with respect to initial line theta is equal to 0 and symmetric with respect to line theta is equal to pi by 2. Next comes the pole. R is equal to 0 gives cos 2 theta is equal to 0. That is 2 theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n is an integer. This gives theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 4. That is, r is equal to 0 gives at least one real value of theta. Therefore, curve passes through pole. Therefore, curve passes through pole. Also, we note that theta is equal to, when I take n to be 0, theta is pi by 4, n is 1, then 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, same way 7 pi by 4 are the tangents to the curve at the pole. Okay. Next comes asymptotes. For this, we have to first rewrite our equation in the form 1 by r is equal to f theta. That is, this is 1 by a cos 2 theta. Now, f theta is equal to 0 gives us 1 by a secant 2 theta is equal to 0, which has no solution. Therefore, this curve has no asymptotes. Okay. Next comes the point region. Now, maximum value of cos 2 theta is 1. Therefore, maximum value of r is 1 into a of r is a. Therefore, curve lies within a circle of radius a. Okay, this is the region of the curve r is equal to a cos 2 theta. Next we come to solving the equations. Next point is solving the equations. Fifth is solving the equations. Now, table of variations of r as theta varies from 0 to pi is, now we will make a table as theta varies from 0 to pi. Now when theta is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 and same way 90, 120, 135, 150 and 180 degrees. Then we have to find the values of r. And r is a cos 2 theta. Okay. Now when theta is 0, cos 0 is 1, therefore r will be a. When theta is 30, cos 60 is 1 by 2, that is, it is 0.5 a. Cos 90 is 0, therefore when theta is 45, r is 0. Same way, other values, we can also calculate other values. This will be minus 0.5 a, this is minus a, at 90 it is minus a. Okay, this value is repeating here, so we delete this 90, we start with 120. When theta is 120, value of r is again minus 0.5 a. At 135 it is 0, here it is 0.5 a, and again here it is a. Okay, these are the values. Now we will trace these values on the graph. Now when theta is 0, r is a. Therefore here we mark this a. When theta is 30, r is 0.5 a. Somewhere here. When theta is 45, r is 0, and also we know that theta is equal to pi by 4 is the tangent. Okay, next is when theta is 60, it is 0.5 a with minus sign. Therefore, point will be here in the opposite direction on the extension of the terminal side of line theta is equal to 60. When theta is 90, it is again minus a, therefore on the opposite side. Here, when theta is 120, it is minus 0.5. Therefore here, when theta is 135, it is 0, r is 0. And also this line theta is equal to 3 pi by 4, that is 135 degrees. Value of r is 0. And this is tangent line. And when theta is 150, it is 0.5 a. And theta is 180, then it is a. Okay, these are the points on the curve. Now since this line theta is equal to 45 is a tangent, therefore I can draw my line like this, curve like this. Again 135 is a tangent at the pole, therefore shape of the curve is like this. Okay, same way here, joining these points, curve shape is like this. Okay, now this curve is symmetric with respect to initial line. Theta is equal to 0. Therefore, by symmetry, we can complete a curve in this form. And same way here also, this is a here. This is the shape of the curve. Okay, this is how we have to trace the curve for given polar equation. Okay, now we can come to next question. Now consider next problem. Trace the curve r is equal to a sine 2 theta. Now first is symmetry. Now curve, let us replace theta by pi plus theta. On replacing theta by pi plus theta, sine of 2 pi plus theta, that is sine 2 pi plus 2 theta. This is in first quadrant and this is equal to sine 2 theta. Therefore, equation remains unchanged on replacing theta by pi plus theta. Therefore, curve is symmetric. Curve is symmetric about the pole. About the pole, that is origin. About the pole, that is origin. Okay. Next comes pole. Now when r is equal to 0, we have sine 2 theta is equal to 0. That means 2 theta is equal to n pi, where n is an integer. That is theta is equal to n pi by 2. where n belongs to z. Therefore, since for r is equal to 0, we are getting real value of theta. Therefore, curve passes through pole. Passes through pole. Also tangents at the pole are theta is equal to, when I take n to be 0, this is 0, 1 pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, that is pi, 3 pi by 2, 4 pi by 2 means 2 pi, are tangents at the pole. Okay. Third is asymptotes. As done in the previous example of r is equal to a cos 2 theta, here also we have no asymptote. Okay. Now fourth is region. Since maximum value of sine 2 theta is 1, therefore maximum value of r is a. Therefore curve lies within a circle of radius a. This is a region of the curve r is equal to a sine 2 theta. Next comes solving the equation. Okay. Now table of variations of r as theta varies from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, that is minus 90 degrees to 90 degree is. Now we will make a table. Okay. Now we will make the table. When theta is equal to minus 90, minus 60, minus 45 degrees, minus 30, 0, r, then 30, 45, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. R is equal to, where r here is a sine 2 theta. Okay. Now when theta is minus 90, then 2 theta is minus 180 and sine 180 is 0. Therefore, this is 0. When theta is minus 60, this is minus root 3 by 2a. That is minus 0.87a. When theta is minus 45, 2 theta is minus 90, that is minus a. When theta is minus 30, means minus 60, again here minus root 3 by 2a. That is minus 0.87a. Okay. When theta is 0, sine 0 is 0, r is 0. Same way, when theta is 30, this will be root 3 by 2a. At 45, it is a. Here, at 60, it is root 3 by 2a. And when theta is 90, 2 theta will be 180. Here also it is 0. Okay. Now, 0 minus 90. This is same as 0 minus 90 plus 360. This is 270. Same way, minus 0.87a and minus 60. This is same as minus 0.87a and minus 60 plus 360. That is 300. Here minus a minus 45. It is same as minus a and minus 45 plus 360. That is 315 degrees. Here minus 0.87a and minus 30 is same as minus 0.87a and minus 30 plus 360. That is 330 degrees. Okay. Rest all is positive. Value of r is positive at all other values of theta. Now we can plot these points on the graph. First is 0 minus 90. That is same as 0 270. Here origin. Next point is minus 0.87 when theta is minus 60. That is minus 0.87 and 300. 300 and 0.87 minus sign. Therefore, point will be here. Next is minus a minus 45. That is here 315 degrees and it is minus a. Therefore, point will be here. Same way at minus 30. Point will be on 330 which is minus 0.87. Therefore, point will be here on the opposite side. When theta is 0, r is 0. When theta is 30, it is 0.87a. Here, when theta is 60, when theta is 45, r is a. Therefore, here a, this is a, and when theta is 60, this is point is here. Okay, these are the points. Now we will trace the curve. Now this theta is equal to 90 degree is a tangent and this is also a tangent. Therefore, curve shape will be like this. This line is a tangent. Therefore, here I can join this and this is also a tangent. Therefore, we'll join like this. Same way, theta is equal to pi by 2 is a tangent. Theta is equal to pi is a tangent. Therefore, on joining, I get this. Okay. Now, this curve is symmetric with respect to pole, and symmetric with respect to pole means symmetric in opposite quadrants. From first, we will reach to third, and from second, we will reach to 4. Okay. That means from the first one, we will trace the portion of the graph in third quadrant. This will be like this, and from second we will reach to fourth quadrant in opposite quadrant. That's the meaning of symmetric with respect to pole. Okay, now this is the graph of the curve r is equal to a sine 2 theta. Okay. Also, we note from the two graphs from r is equal to a cos 2 theta and r is equal to a sine 2 theta. Both the graphs have 4 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. The curve consisting of 4 loops is called as 4-leaved rows. The special name is given to such type of curves called 4-leaved rows. Okay, now that's it for this video. In my next video, I'm going to discuss some more problems on tracing of polar curves. If you have any queries or any suggestions, please write to me in comment box. Thank you.